Nigerian government cannot explain publicly how Nnamdi Kanu was intercepted because it was illegal process. Lawyer demands unconditional release. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Last year, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami's son, had announced that Kanu was intercepted through collaborative efforts of Nigerian intelligence and security services and consequently extradited to Nigeria. On this particular issue, severally we have heard that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra is in the custody of a DSS in Abuja, and severally they have come out to say, oh, he was extradited, he was intercepted. They use all this grammar, and at the end of the day, they have not been able to say how. As in, if it is an examination now, they give those who are saying they intercepted him, tell them differently, put them in different places and say, okay, write how this man was intercepted. You will hear that it is different, which means they're trying to cover something up. They're trying to cover. You will not hear if somebody was okay. You officially arrested him, and everything you did was legal. I tell you, it is going to be straightforward, right? Everybody will be putting it down like that. But the fact that it is not straightforward, it was actually something close to an abduction. You know, when they want to kidnap somebody. All those kind of paparazzi that they do when they want to kidnap somebody was exactly what is done here. So they will not want to come and write it now like that. They're going to be twisting the words. So Kanu's counsel is coming out to say, you know what, the Nigerian government infringed on social person on rights, on our leaders' rights, and of course, for this sole reason, we have got to let him be released. The news in detail, please stay with us. Last year, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami's son, had announced that Kanu was intercepted through collaborative efforts of Nigerian intelligence and security services and consequently extradited to Nigeria. Aloy Ejimako, Special Counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has reiterated that the extradition of Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria was illegal. Last year, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, had announced that Kanu was intercepted through the collaborative effort of Nigerian intelligence and security services and consequently extradited to Nigeria. The IPOB leader has been in DSS custody since his arrest and extradition and is currently on trial for treasonable felony. But in a statement obtained by Sahara reporters on Monday, Ejimako faulted the said interception and extradition of Kanu, arguing that due process was not followed. According to him, the fact that the federal government has continued to shy away from explaining how it has intercepted the IPOB leader shows the illegality of the arrangement. The statement read, following the sudden appearance of Nnamdi Kanu in the Federal High Court in Abuja on 29 June 2021, the Attorney General of Nigeria, Abubakar Malami's son, at a press conference on the same date, stated that Kanu was intercepted through collaborative effort of Nigerian intelligence and security services. He ordered that recent steps taken by the federal government saw to the interception of the fugitive Kanu on Sunday, the 27th day of June 2021. Before this bland use of the word interception, neither the Attorney General nor any other Nigerian official has explained how, where this infamous interception occurred or whether it occurred under the pertinent legal framework or not. From published accounts, all effort by the media, domestic and international, to elicit details of this interception have met a stubborn official silence. And it appears that the same way is true with myriad diplomatic inquiries issued to Nigeria from the international community, notably when the United Kingdom and United Nations. Conversely, Nnamdi Kanu had in various sworn statements given credible accounts and details that prove that a so-called interception is simply that he was officially kidnapped, disappeared, tortured in Kenya, and extraordinarily renditioned to Nigeria. During the hearing of Kanu's fundamental rights suit in Abia State, which he won, the Nigerian government could not explain how Kanu ended up in Nigeria, thus confirming that Kanu was not extradited but illegally renditioned. If Kanu was extradited, the Nigerian government would have been very forthright with it, especially given the insurmountable prosecutorial barrier that comes with extraordinary rendition. It is therefore instructive that today the Nigerian government has neither in court or in public contradicted Kanu's account nor offered any alternative account that may suggest that Kanu's return to Nigeria was secured through some due process of law. On its part, the Kenyan government has, in the public and in processes filed in court, vehemently denied that Kanu was subjected to any extradition or even deportation proceedings in Kenya, and Nigeria has deadpanned to Kenya's self-righteous denials. In view of the foregoing, there are several questions and answers well-meaning Nigerians and the international community must demand from Nigeria. These questions are very critical. The questions are very crucial because under the domestic and international legal order, Nigeria cannot properly levy its sovereign right of criminal prosecution against Kanu without first proving that the act of transferring Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria conforms to the basic tenets of a law, municipal and international, including particular treaties to which Nigeria is subject. As a sovereign nation and member of a committee of nations and a country with the constitutions and laws, Nigeria must first explain to a domestic court and international community, particularly Britain, how Kanu ended up in Nigeria in chains. This is but a basic condition precedent without which prosecution of Kanu cannot ensue. The wishful notion that extraordinary rendition is but a concept in international law does not apply to Nigeria is false and it borders on crass ignorance. At the end of the day, let justice be served. Okay, on this note, we've come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.